What's up, guys?
Welcome back to the Quad Squad.
Today we're vlogging. We haven't posted in quite a while.
At least like not together too.
Yeah.
We're back.
They've been here for like 2 days.
We're back and we're better.
Today we're just gonna be having a little beach vlog and it's gonna be like super cute. Not we'll show you what we're doing, but we're also just gonna be like being cute.
Boom.
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 Alright, see y'all later.
Worried about a thing, I know you do the same for me. 'Cause you're so lovely, I can't help but fall for you, love. When you love me, it's so lovely loving you. So lovely loving you.
Hey guys. So we have been out on the beach for like a minute.
Me and Haley shower because we don't smell.
Oh my god, this thing's passing out.
What are you doing?
Oh, it's on our feet. It's on our feet. Okay, anyways, we hung out on
Why
the
is
beach.
the camera on?
No.
I'm about to burn up.
You
Oh
want
my
me to
god, I'm
come-
having a hot flush. Stop touching it.
We went out on the beach.
Why would you set it up down
Why
there?
couldn't we just get home and set
Okay, so that is all we vlogged, but fortunately, I made like a little TikTok vlog yesterday, so that's what I'm gonna put in next. And sorry, but
I just let lil' mama suck me up, girl. Bitch tryna grind the roll right up the bus, girl. I jumped out the porch and went straight up, girl. You can leave your town and head to